Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact platform and enabling the core services that power widgets. Open Settings and verify your OS build and account sign-in. This matters because permissions differ. Once done, turn on the Widgets or Dashboard feature and any required notification or widget services so apps can place items on your desktop. Make sure to allow background app refresh and permissions for location or calendar if widgets need them. This prevents common permission roadblocks later on. Next, install widgets from trusted sources. Open your platform store or extension manager and search for the widget you need. Click Install and then launch its configurator. Configure data sources, refresh intervals, and size. This is where accuracy matters because aggressive refresh rates drain battery. Once a widget is placed, move and snap it to the preferred zone and lock position if available. If you use multiple widgets, set them up sequentially to isolate conflicts and confirm each one updates correctly. To finish, lock the layout and enable the widget host to auto-start so widgets appear after reboot. Test system impact by watching CPU and RAM for a few minutes. If a widget is heavy, reduce its refresh rate or replace it. Make a quick backup of widget settings if the tool allows that. If a widget stops working, restart the widget host process, reinstall the widget app, and recheck permissions. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues and brings widgets back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.